Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to general management. From here tap on language. Here you can see in my phone default language is UK English. If you want to set your own language, you have to tap add language option. Now from here you can choose any language as you want. If I select English, now from here you can choose English language of any regions. If I select United States and then tap on set as default, now you can see in my phone US English is selected now. If you want to set UK English again, just tap here and then tap on apply and it's done. If you want to delete any language, just tap on edit and then select language from here and then tap on remove and remove again and it's done. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.